Let's embark on a journey to understand whole foods. Imagine a world where food is minimally processed, close to its natural state. Picture vibrant fruits, fresh vegetables, and wholesome grains offering their nourishing goodness. Whole foods are gifts from nature, free from artificial additives and preservatives. Think of a juicy apple or a handful of almonds, still bearing the warmth of the sun. A whole foods diet is about returning to the basics and nourishing our bodies with real, unadulterated ingredients. Embracing a whole foods diet unlocks a treasure chest of health benefits. By prioritizing natural foods, we provide our bodies with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. This dietary approach aids in weight management by reducing intake of processed foods and unhealthy fats. Studies show it can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. A whole foods diet is about cultivating a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being and honors the connection between food and health. Imagine strolling through a bustling farmer's market, the air filled with the aromas of fresh produce. Fill your basket with a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables, leafy greens, vibrant berries, crunchy carrots, and juicy tomatoes. Venture into the world of whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats, and barley. Include lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, lentils, and tofu. Embrace healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. As you navigate the supermarket aisles, understand which foods align with a whole foods approach. Embrace minimally processed foods close to their natural state, like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit highly processed foods, sugary drinks, refined grains, and unhealthy fats. Read food labels carefully and be mindful of added sugars and artificial ingredients. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, you can support your overall health and well-being. Plan your meals ahead of time to create a shopping list that aligns with your dietary goals. Opt for seasonal fruits and vegetables for better flavor and budget-friendly options. Explore local farmers markets for fresh, locally sourced produce. Engage with vendors to learn about their farming practices and discover new ingredients. Whole foods shopping is about making conscious choices that prioritize your health and well-being. Your whole foods shopping companion, a sample list. Produce leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, apples, bananas, berries, avocados, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread, lean protein, chicken breast, salmon, lentils, black beans, tofu, healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, seeds, other herbs and spices, garlic, ginger. Adjust the list based on your preferences, dietary needs, and what's in season. A glimpse into a whole foods lifestyle. A 3-day meal plan. Day 1. Breakfast. Overnight oats with berries and nuts. Lunch. Salad with grilled chicken or chickpeas, quinoa, and a lemon vinaigrette. Dinner. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Day 2. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and whole wheat toast. Lunch. Lentil soup with a side salad. Dinner. Chicken stir-fry with brown rice and colorful vegetables. Day 3. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. Lunch. Leftover chicken stir-fry. Dinner. Veggie burgers on whole wheat buns with sweet potato fries. Adjust portion sizes based on your needs and preferences. Weighing the scale's advantages and disadvantages of a whole foods diet. Advantages: nutrient-rich, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Weight management: reduces intake of calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. Improved digestion. Fiber promotes healthy digestion and regularity. Reduced risk of chronic diseases, linked to lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Increased energy levels. Provides sustained energy. Disadvantages: cost. Whole foods can be more expensive. Time commitment. Preparing whole foods can be time-consuming. Potential for nutrient deficiencies requires careful planning. Social challenges. Eating out can be difficult. In harmony with expert advice. Alignment with USDA Guidelines. The principles of a whole foods diet align with USDA dietary recommendations. The USDA's MyPlate guidelines emphasize a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy. A whole foods approach naturally encompasses these recommendations, promoting nutrient-dense foods while limiting processed foods. Consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to create a personalized meal plan. A whole foods diet is about making sustainable choices that nourish your body. It's okay to enjoy occasional treats. The key is moderation and balance. Focus on adding more whole, unprocessed foods to your diet. Listen to your body, honor your cravings, and find a balance that works for you. Share your thoughts, insights, and questions in the comments section below. Have you tried incorporating more whole foods into your diet? What are your favorite whole foods recipes? Let's create a supportive community to learn from each other and inspire healthier lives.